Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn how to create YouTube channel in Android. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Step 1. Open YouTube app in your mobile. Step 2. In top right corner, click profile picture. Click here. If you want to sign in, then click sign in. But here, I already created account, so I am adding account. Step 3. Click create account. You can click here, or you can create your own Gmail address. Your account is created now. If you have any problem in signing in, then write your comments below. I will definitely help you within 1 minute. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.